how to add a debit card to Apple Pay. Here's how it works. You want to load up the wallet app on your phone, then scroll to the side, and if you haven't added any cards to Apple Pay, you will see Get Started with Apple Pay ad. Now once we select that option, you will be shown this debit or credit card, so just click on the one that I've highlighted. And now we're gonna click on this. It should automatically take you to the screen, and we're gonna click on continue. Now if you have your card, you can get it here close to your phone, or you can enter the card details manually by clicking on this button. You will have to put your name, so just type out your name here in this field, and also the card number. You can also scan it with your camera, so if I click on this button, it's going to activate my camera. You can't see it on the screen, but it is active, and you can just take a picture of your card and it's going to automatically detect the number. And afterwards, click on the exclamation mark, or sorry, the check mark in the bottom right. Then you gotta click on continue at the bottom, go through the prompts, and that's how you add your debit card. Hope this video helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.